What's the connection between the cloud document you just uploaded, and the blockchain itself? How does that tie together?
Okay, first of all, let me elaborate a little bit about that cloud matter. Of course, you can have your private cloud. Some company has their cloud and so on. We are on the world's largest cloud. And we even provide the opportunity in case of export restrictions or something like that, that also digital documents can never leave the country, for example, if such restrictions exist. So a document uploaded from here can be retrieved if it doesn't fall under the export restrictions, can be retrieved all through the world. We have two guys at least watching from Pakistan and one from India. And also you could retrieve documents that have been uploaded here in the next logical second after the creation of that document. That's really fantastic. I mean, if we think about freight documents, for example, a ship starts in New York going to Europe. I mean, the customs in Europe can have the freight documents at the very minute they are finished in New York, and has 3 weeks time until to inspect the documents. Think about the implications of things here. Incredible. Or in our business, we send products to our customer. Maybe UPS is very fast and brings them the next afternoon. But already when we ship the documents from here, our customer will receive the QR code on the shipment notice, and he can inspect the documents already long before the goods arrive. That is part of those fantastic time savings and efficiency things that go with it.
Yeah.
But please ask me about data graveyard. Please ask me about that.
Okay, let's come back to that. First of all, I like what you just described, that they're so readily accessible and available to the cloud. Now, I'm not certain that we've completely communicated to the viewers yet on how the blockchain fits in. So how does the blockchain then fit into this process? Blockchain
is the notarization that is created immediately after the upload of the document. The notarization, that means the hash code of the documents, is stored in this blockchain. And if anybody, by the way, nobody has access to these documents, but if anybody would have an access, modify the documents, the hash codes wouldn't match anymore. So instead of storing the huge documents, it could be thousands and thousands of pages, only the little fingerprint, the hash code, is stored in the blockchain, and this is 100% proof for the original of the document.
Okay, so when you create the record, there's a record and the metadata surrounding the record, and that's published to the blockchain. And then there's a hash, which those of us that understand the blockchain now understand that there's a unique hash that's one of a kind, and that's tied to the record, which is stored in the cloud, and that creates the overall complement of the two components. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes. And from the hash code, you never can retrieve the content of the document. That's impossible.
Okay, well, that was one of the things that
you wouldn't recognize my face.